Hi, I'm Andrew and we're here at Essco Electric Sales and Services, and today we will be unboxing our INGCO power tool, the drill machine. Okay, so here we have the INGCO power drill and we can start the unboxing. It comes in a hard case. And you have two 2-amp batteries, your fast charger, drill machine, drill bits, side clip, assorted drill bits and screws, and your information booklet. The drill itself has a keyless chuck, has a light on the front so you can see what you're doing, forward and reverse. It also has 2 speeds. It also has a hammer drill function, straight drill function, and a screw function, as well as assorted slip clutch torque settings that you can set as well. It also has a battery indicator to show you your life of the battery itself. And that is your power tool, and from here we will then go and do a small demonstration to show you how it works. We're going to do our demonstration now, but remember, before any project, to always wear your safety equipment. And we're going to go into the concrete block in hammer mode. And then we're going to go switch over to drill some screws. And then we're also going to switch it back from hammer to screw. And for further information on how to get information on the power tools, you can contact us at Electric Sales and Services, and our information will be listed now.
Essco switched on.